In the New Testament, the word Herod comes a few times. And we think there was a king called Herod. There was not one Herod. There are many Herods. The first one was Herod the Great. When Jesus was born, the Magi came from the east to Jerusalem and to ask him where the King of Jews is born. That was the Herod the Great. And when he came to know the Magi deceived him, he ordered to kill all the baby boys who are below the age of 2. This Herod the Great had many sons. And they were also called Herods. In today's reading, we heard Herod, that was Herod Antipas, who was a petty king of Galilee. He was also called Herod the Tetrarch. Tetrarch means one who rules over 1/4 of a territory, commonly known as a petty king, a small king. And this Herod Antipas was a weak king, always suspicious. And he had a brother called Herod Philip, who was living in Rome as a wealthy man. Herod Antipas went to Rome to see his brother. There he saw his sister-in-law Herodias. He was attracted towards her. That's okay. But then, what did he do? Herod Antipas divorced his wife and married his brother's wife when he was alive. And John the Baptist told Herod, "This is not right what you have done."